I have sold the R33. It's the last and final start. One of the reasons why I'm getting rid of it is because I wasn't able to even just do simple things to some of my cars. So this car is officially sold. Give it one last rev. All right guys, this is it. So I have sold the R33. It's the last and final start. It's going off to Chicago. Gentleman flew down and met him. Super awesome car, sad to see it go. So guys, this car is sold. It's been with me for a while. This is something I wanted to do. I wanted to make some space. 33 and 34 are really similar cars, and opportunity came up that someone was looking for this exact specific color. So I took that opportunity. The guy flew in from Chicago. We met, we drove around. He checked the car out. He was super happy. We got the deal done, and now she's off to her new home. So we're gonna drive it over to the transport, and yeah, follow us along today, guys. So he doesn't know this yet, but there's a couple surprises. Well, one thing he does know, that he is getting the stock seats. As you guys can tell, these are Series 3 seats. This car is pretty rare. It's really low production in this color. Series 3 is even lower production than 1 and 2, of course. So it's a really cool car, really good example of this car. This whole car, a lot of people don't know this, but this car was actually I would say a pre-built by Legends car. So Garage Yoshida went through this car. It was actually bought from Garage Yoshida, went to the UK, to HJA Group, and then it made its way to LA. But right now the goal is just to get this car over to the transport, not get pulled over. We gotta pull the plate off. Pretty simple process, but I think the transport's waiting for me, so we gotta go. This car is just so smooth. Not bumpy wise, but pretty rough road right there. Man, I'm gonna miss this one. Gotta be extra safe. Gotta wait for these cars. Nice clean roads today. It's Friday, holiday. It's running good. So the new owner is gonna have to do a retune. He's gonna have 93 fuel where he's at. So I've recommended he does a retune. He's gonna actually delete the Hikis, and he's gonna go through the car and actually give it some love and attention that it needs. One of the reasons why I'm getting rid of it is because I wasn't able to even just do simple things to some of my cars. So thinning the fleet out a little bit, getting some things easier. If you guys do notice or pay attention, I did recently sell a slew of cars. I sold the 35, sold the GTT, sold this. There was something else in between there, maybe one of my personal cars or something. I have replaced those with other things. So we got an S15. It's a big mix of how the cars come and go. Will this be replaced by something? Yes, probably, but it's going to a good home. That was important to me. I didn't actually advertise this car. If you guys are asking about that and what did it sell for and stuff, I can make a video on that if you guys put enough comments below. You know, some of these cars do appreciate in value and stuff. This is a pretty rare one. So this car in deep marine blue is pretty rare. It's a pretty rare option. Color wise, it's, you know, 450, 493 or some number like that. Really, really low. 42, I think, in a Series 3 and a non-V-spec like this exact trim. And it's rare, and that's what gets the price up on some of these cars. It has to do with some of the sleek mods, like the old school Nismo clusters, the Nismo gauges here. Just the good JDM rare goodies. This gentleman also picked up the R400 kit that I was planning on putting on the car. So in case you guys didn't know, I had a front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts, and basically the whole kit. Let's go. This car is so solid. So I heard the truck is actually here waiting. Oh, that's the forklift guy. Oh, yep, so here we are. So I'm dealing with that situation as well. And then there's this guy here. There's its new home. So this gentleman here, we'll put it up in there. The window down, it's a little hot. Turn the AC off. Give it one last rev. So this is a gift from my friend Greg. I'm sure we're gonna be longtime friends, but I'll tell him about this. So if he knows anything, this car was a Mines built car. So this is a plate that I actually picked up in Japan. So I'm gonna leave this in the car for him. Hopefully he finds this and enjoying this car in good health.
That's it. She's out of here.
You're sad?
Yeah.
This is your favorite one, right?
This was my favorite one.
Yeah, this is a good one. Oh shit, that shit's hot.